Hey guys, what's going on? So Steve and I are over here in the shop and we're putting in some struts for a customer. So I wanted to do a quick video on this real quick. These are the Monroe quick struts. This is really the only way to fly with these things. This vehicle has 170,000 miles on it. So you can buy these fully loaded. This is a loaded strut, meaning that it has the spring already loaded on it, the strut is in it. What happens is that if you kind of try to, I'm going to say cheap out, and just buy the strut without the spring, you're compressing the spring, you got to change it over, the old spring to the new one. A lot of times the strut mount at the top of the bottom rots out, then you're trying to find those replacement parts at your local auto store, and you're kind of wasting more time and money. And this way here, you get a brand new spring, brand new hardware to go with it, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. We've been doing this for a while, and this is what we experience here in the shop. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment, I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.